Hey, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're here today in central London. We are going to do a deck. So the client, you can see the door. They are able to come out here. They're going to put a wood deck on this roof. Once we're done, we're going to remove it, make sure the wood is in good shape, and put a new mod bit roof on. We'll show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Okay, so welcome back. So I just want to show you why we do the process we do, why we take our time to clean the roof, prime it, peel and stick. So this is an older roof that was put down. I can literally pull this roof up. Like, this roof is just tearing up. There's no adhesion to the deck underneath. If you just cut a little piece, you can pull this roof right up. So a mod bit roof, any type of roof, should be well adhered to the deck to give it an uplift support. So if there's high pressure in the home, your roof's not going to blow off. So there you go. Just a bit of advice. We're going to get this roof ripped off and clean it and glue the new roof down properly. We'll show you what it looks like. Welcome back. Go ahead and take a look. We've removed the old roof off the deck and we are ready to go. Now, the issue with the old roof, it just wasn't well adhered. Yes, it leaked. Okay, that was something different. But for the actual engineering of the roof, it wasn't well adhered. What you want to do, you want to prime, ultimately glue the roof down. If you're not going to torch it, use hot asphalt, actual adhesive like a expandable foam adhesive. This is a different system. This is the gluing, priming the roof, and you're ready to go. So without this, the roof will just be too loose and not well adhered. So we're going to prime the roof and show you what the base sheet looks like. Thanks a lot. Hey, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We finished the job. It was a hot day yesterday, so a bit less videotaping than we would have liked to see, but the job turned out wonderful regardless. The client has a brand new roof, roof that's going to last them 20 odd years. We were able to tie in the wall detail with the door, the hardy board. We have drip flashing around the outside. Really turned out wonderful. If you are in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.